Hello, my name is Ray Como. I created the vent booster fan. This is my second video on these. The other video you may have seen where I've got an apparatus with balloons that blow around showing different fans and the vent booster fan. We'll come back to this one. I've created a little demonstration of what you find inside your house. This would be down inside underneath the flooring. You would never see this. But this would be where the air is flowing out of your floor. Kind of crude looking, but it's going to serve a purpose. I want to show you using a paper plate. And I want you to do this at home. I want you to take your paper plate and hold it next to your floor register or your floor vent and see how much air is flowing. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to go through the different fans. I got three others that are competitor fans. This one here is like two little fans that would come out of the back of a computer or something, and we're going to use it first just to do the demonstration. And it's on. I've turned it on, and I'm going to set that down the side here. And then what I'm going to do is take the paper plate, which I dropped on the floor earlier. As you can tell, the plate just barely rides on top of that air. I mean, that's not a whole lot. This paper plate doesn't weigh that much. It should be blowing it, completely away. But I want you to do it at home is just hold it on one side like that and just see how much it lifts up. I'm lifting it myself there. I'm just trying to show you. But it's just sitting on top of there. And that's not enough air coming out of that fan. So we'll turn this one off. And we'll do the next one. This also has like a fan blade in it. And same principle, it sits on top of the register, and then take, like if you were to take a paper plate, and it lifts it up a little bit more than the other one did, You can kind of see it's probably another couple inches above. It's not too bad, but still, for a large room, you really want some good flow coming out of there. So, and then if I take this one, it doesn't do much. So turn that one off. This one's the closest to mine. It's a squirrel cage on the inside, but because this one sits down inside the vent, it can't have a very large fan. So we'll set it in there. It's running. I don't know if you can hear it. We'll set that down there. I'll take the paper plate, set it on here, and I really expected more out of this one. It doesn't even, the paper plate's almost sitting on top of the fan. It's barely moving it. So that's a great marketing idea, but here again, it doesn't work that great. So the vent booster fan I created, and you can go, when you go to ventboosterfan.com, where I've got a lot more information on these. I just finally got fed up trying to solve this issue in my own house, so I just created my own. So it's got a variable speed knob, on, off, variable speed. Hear it. Okay. And then when I set that on there, air is blowing, and you can instantly tell. I mean, I'm not hanging on to this. It's look how much farther up that plate is, and I'm just hanging on to it enough to keep it in the air without blowing off. And then if I take this, like I want you to do at home, see, I can't even, this thing, I can't, if I do this, I mean, it just, the tape's messing me up, but you can get the idea. I mean, there's just a lot more air flowing out of this one than the other one. 1700 CFMs is what I get out of these, and you can just tell it really blows, quite a bit of air through there. So the reason I'm holding off to the side, a squirrel cage motor doesn't blow straight up because it's rotating. It kind of blows it off to the side. So that's the angle you'd want to put the fan to blow it into the room instead of blowing it up the wall. So, but anyway, that's it. Go to ventboosterfan.com, do the little plate test at home, put the plate next to your floor vent, and see if see how far up it, how far off the floor it comes. I'm going to turn this off. So, you know, you're going to hold it like that, and then you know, see how much it raises up, and then so anyway, vetboosterfan.com, and I appreciate any orders you can send my way. Thank you.